Ingqatsini yelanga kwiphondo laKwaZulu-Natal inyanzelise amawaka-waka abantu ukuba babhenele elwandle. Amanxweme kweliphondo ebegcwele ngeyona ndlela. Kuleveki amaqondo obushushu ebephezulu ngeyona ndlela kulo lonke eliphondo.
Bekusuku lokuphola olwandle lwe-Indian Ocean kwabaningi. Njengoba isifundazwe sihlaselwe amazinga okushisa aphezulu. Ney'ndawo ey'shisa kunazo zonke KwaZulu-Natal, Olundi nasejozini eMakatsini benamazinga abalelwa ku-35 degrees Celsius kuleli sonto.
According to weather, there was a heat wave on our way, and we decided no, we must come here to the Golden Coast and come spend the day here at Durban.
Bekushisa nje kakhulu, so sithe namhlanje asize soyijabulisa nje khona la ebeach sihlalele sengasagcwele sebehambile.
Abadala nabancane bebephuma bengena emanzini.
Today's my birthday. I came to the beach to cool myself because it's very hot and it's very nice here.
And sort of the cool down from the heat wave. So this past few days has been extremely hot, uncomfortable and sometimes unbearable.
Nakuba belishisa likhipha umkhovu etsheni, izangoma zezulu zithi ukushisa akuzange kufinyelele ezingeni lokuba isivuvu.
No, we haven't experienced any heat wave this week. We only expected temperatures were hot. At the same time, it contributed to the condition called discomfort indexes.
Umaluleke uthi amazinga okushisa azoqala ukwehla ngesonto. Ey'ndabeni za SABC nginguvusi Khumalo eThekwini.